Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change your trail shield on your lawnmower. This is a Toro self-propelled front-wheel drive. I got it cleaned up yesterday. It's pretty much ready for sale, but the trail shield is all cut up, as you can see. See all that? It's all cut up, so I got a brand new one, and I'll show you how to install it. What you will need for this process is a 13mm, a Phillips head screwdriver. I will be using an impact gun. Okay, so what you need to do is first take off the wheel. Okay, now that you're done taking the wheels off, take your socket off your wrench or impact gun and go ahead and use your Phillips head attachment or your Phillips head screwdriver, and there are two screws that you have to unscrew, which I'll show you. That's a screw right there. And then the same thing on the other side. So you simply just pull it out, and it should just come out. Then you get your new one, and just wiggle it in. You're gonna have to go ahead and bend it to get the second ear in the hole. Don't be scared, it's kind of meant to bend a little bit. You're not gonna snap it. Okay, now that we have put the new trail shield in, all we have to do is put the screws back in. Okay, now that that's done, if you have an impact gun, take out your Phillips head, if you're using an attachment, and put your socket back in, because we're going to do our final step, and that's to put the wheels back on. Okay, now that it's in, just go ahead and tighten it a little bit. Okay, well there we have it. We just changed the trail shield on our Toro self-propelled lawnmower. Thanks for watching.